Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will be talking about some sickness that are very common. So when we go to the doctors and they ask you, what's the matter? You know what to say. So number one, we have headache. Headache. Remember, the pronunciation here, A-C-H-E, is just the K, the K sound. Headache. This is just when we have pain in our head. I have a terrible headache. Number two, this is toothache. Toothache has to do with our teeth. So one of our teeth hurt. We have a toothache. And we want to go see the dentist so they can fix the problem. Number three, we have muscle pain. Muscle pain. This is the same like body pain. So when you move and something hurts, you can say, I have muscle or body pain. Number four, this is nose congestion. We can also call it a runny or stuffy nose. So runny nose, we have to sniff a lot, and stuffy nose is when we cannot breathe so well because there's so much in our nose. Then number five, this is cough. That's a cough or sore throat. This is our throat. So when we have a sore throat, it just means we have some pain in our throat. And then the last one, number six, this is fever, or I feel hot. So if it is not so hot and we still feel really, really hot, then we might have a fever or a temperature. And this will often mean that you have the flu or some kind of virus in your body. Now you know what to say when you go to the doctor's office next time. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.